Carol?
I don't know that I necessarily agree with that, Neil. I think that we're seeing a little bit of a bounce back, and I think a lot of this bad news has been priced into the market already. We're hitting some really key levels here. We're hitting 13,000 on the Dow, 1370 on the S&P, and those are key resistance levels, and I think we're waiting for a confirmation day. If we have a day
so you don't think we go down?
I don't think in the short term that we go down. I think that if we can have a confirmation day above 13,000 or above 1370, those become the new support levels. And I think a lot of the money sitting on the sidelines comes back in.
It's a trite expression, Carol, but markets climb this wall of worry, and before you know it, we've got a bull market rampaging as it was in the early 80s. And I think a lot of people back then were ignoring it until it was so obvious. Could we have something like that or no?
I think in the short term, definitely.
By the way, what is short term?
Short term, next few months, you know, kind of maybe through June, I think we're going to see it creep up. Long term,
and then what?
Well, here's my concern long term is I'm worried about Japan and I'm worried about China and some of, you know, these Asian countries that we might have something that hasn't been priced into the market that's going on over there. A lot of intervention, a lot of, you know, Adam Smith's free hand, invisible hand. There's a very visible hand going on over in Asia, and I don't think that's being priced in right now. So longer term, that's my concern.
Carol, what do you make of that?
Well, there's actually a reason for this, and this is based on rumor, but I'm hearing that the spotted owls are actually donating a lot of money to the Obama super PAC, and so they're shooting off the barred owls.
You're too young to be so jaded.
Yeah.
So, but this shows taken to its ultimate extreme how crazy this can be.
Yeah, I just think it's one of those things that we shouldn't be getting involved in nature, picking winners and losers, so to speak. And who knows? Again, with the who.
Yeah, who knows, indeed.
The question is, and I hate to be skeptical here, is what's driving this? Everything that's going on in the government right now, there's some sort of big reason behind it. So is this really, are they doing it for the right reasons, or is there some big sinister plot?
They want lowering, they want jobs.
Wait a minute. Carol just let loose this idea. You don't support the spotted owl?
I'm not saying I don't support the spotted owl. I'm just saying
I favor the barred owl.
Well, look, there's this whole thing about natural selection, right? Maybe there's a reason why the spotted owl shouldn't be there.
Why are we waiting?
And how does the government know? I mean, you know, do they really know which species are supposed to be there?
Well, the spotted owl became like a patron saint, right? And then so anyone that messes or thing, even fellow owls that mess with the spotted owl, then becomes a cause.